Hello everyone, this is Captain Gibber Lee. This is our sailed4seas Top 20. Today we are on the exercise number 3. Eastbound coast 066 degrees, speed 21 knots. There were 3 vessels from the starboard side trying to crossing the traffic lane. That's what the situation we have here. Today we have a captain. I don't know the age, but by the exercise performance is speeding. So let's see what happens in the exercise. With this 3-minute speed vector, the collision situation is not clear. But if we change the speed vector to 6 minutes interval, then we can see we have the problem with currently is with the number 3, the third crossing vessel is about arriving the collision zone at the same time with us after 6 minutes. So let's see what the captain doing to counter this situation. So the captain didn't reduce the speed. He just keep original speed and use some starboard side and port side throttle, making the course change to 072 degrees, which was 6 degrees to her original coastline. Right now the situation is vessel is slower with 19.6 knots, and the third vessel seems okay right now. Our major concern right now should be the number 17 vessel, the second one, because we were about to arriving at the same time 4.5 minutes later. But luckily enough, this second vessel altered course to her port side, so already shifting the collision point from our collision stick 3 minutes position to our stern. So it's okay with the number 2 vessel. And how about the number 3 vessel? Original, we have the course 066 at the beginning of exercise. After vessel change course to 072 degree and 3 minutes run, now we can see some gap between these 2 vessels position after 3 minutes. So everything looked good at the exercise time 4 minutes. At 2.5 minutes time, captain applied some starboard side rudder and alter course from 072 degree to 079 degree, about 080 degree, 6 degrees more. So this 6 degrees also shifting the collision point with the third vessel from his collision stick head to the bottom of the ship. So right now, on ship is arriving the collision point about 4 minutes, and this number 21 target were arriving the collision point at 1 minute. So we have 3 minutes for the safety margin. So from this continuous maneuvering, we can see in 5 minutes vessel had altered course 12 degrees from 066 to 080 degree, 14 degrees. So as the collision risk is not a potential risk to us. So on ship had just passing the third vessel's stern. In this exercise, Captain didn't reduce speed, have reduced speed for a slow 1 minute's time. Other times still keep very quick speed. So even if he trespassed the overtaken vessel at the starboard side coastline, but still have 3 minutes difference to the collision point. So things are easier for the captain if keep up the speed and only adjust the coastline a little bit. But this was a lucky one, because if you always speeding, someday you will make you slip into the trap for all the vessel going around. So this was a bad habit. If you are not so sure about yourself or the vessel is not so much, you can keep original speed. This is only for exercise purpose.